asking you, both of you, question. Here is our question.
Away mo diha kanang fight.
What do you believe is the most important problem currently faced by our students, and what specific action will you take to address it if elected?
No.
Again,
Miss Universe.
what do you believe is the most important problem currently faced by our students, and what specific action will you take to address if
Hi,
elected?
bahay.
You will be
Go,
given
anak.
enough time to think.
Ngit-ngit ba?
You can ask your members
That's a like.
before you answer.
Sa mukha.
Same goes for Atan. Kasi dito sa Balikatan. Okay, you may now answer.
So our school is the current problem that our school is facing right now is the
Tulog
cleanliness
sila.
and the minor inconsistency in the school facilities, right? So our program would help the school community to be clean, especially the zero littering campaign that would be used. And also, we will encourage the student to help clean the community, especially for the bisection cleanliness ranking, and it is meant to help. It is to help the school community to be clean. And if I were to be elected, I would use that program, and I hope that platform would be implemented. That's all. Thank you.
Go,
Nakasabot ba?
go, anak.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Go
So,
ahead.
I think
And implementation of the candidate's proposed program. For the round two, we will focus on your platform and program questions. So here is the question. Which of your platforms will be prioritized if elected, and why should this be your first priority? Again, which of your platforms will be
industry president. The first platform that we would like to apply or implement is the Dress Right Do Right, because it is combining the two things that we need in the
Dress
school.
code.
ASAN is for the following the school rules of the dress code, following the proper wearing of school complete uniform, and especially the ID. And
Nagyap.
also, we are promoting the cleanliness also in the Dress Right Do Right. That is why we want to implement that in the first place. Thank you.
Thank you,
The question is, the students will only benefit from the Baro and Return, right? So, what unsa ang amo ang ma-benefit gikan anak nga platform? Actually, kanang Borrow and Return is ano na siya kanang murag what do you call that? For emergency purposes na kanang mga bagay. So, basically, dili kayo na siya daghan nga materials yun, mga 5 lang na siya or 10 kabuo. And then, kanang ang mga materials nga ginagamit nga